My name is Stuti and Grade 8 has decided to partner with Right to Education as a law.
Which mobile phone do you have?
iPhone 4.
iPhone?
4.
I see. Please let the group know how much that costs. 35,000 rupees. And what did you do to earn that? Anything? Did you work very hard? Did you lift bricks on your head? Did you make a road? What did you do? You were just born into the Mehta family. What is it with you? What is it with the mind that suggests that the reality as we exist, we will just see it as it is? We have no role in shaping a new reality, in shaping lives that can be better.
What we felt was that as their underprivileged children, that they had many limited means, and because of those limited means, they were getting very limited opportunities, which wasn't the right thing.
We went for home visits and we saw how they felt. We experienced their lifestyles.
जो हमारे बजट में आता है वही हम खरीदते हैं, जो हमको बजट लगता है भाई ये ज़्यादा दाम है तो हम बोलते भी नहीं अब कम करो,
और वो कम कर लेता।
उसको अगर वो बोलता है मेरे को लगेगा तो मैं कम करूँगा, वरना फिर आपको खरीदना हो तो खरीदो।
Want to eat something good, so we could just order from McD a burger, we could just get some chips. But if they want to do that, they'll think for it twice or thrice, because what they need to think about is even the money. So on that day we were given 10 rupees, and in that 10 rupees we had to buy food in the school, we had to drink water from that 10 rupees, and we had to even use the washroom after paying for it.
And to earn lot of money, we cleaned up the whole school.
What are you feeling now? What are the words that are coming to you now?
Because we were cleaning and all the younger children were just walking over it and going.
Right? So there was no real value. You just had to do it again. There was no respect. No respect, unfair, injustice, looted. Okay, no, but just look at the difference in the first set of words that you came in at 12:30 to the set of words that you are experiencing right now.
In the end, what happened was that Kiran ma'am took all our money, and that told us how the real world works outside.
What are you feeling? Annoyed. Okay, you are.
Cheated.
Angry. This is the reality, and anybody who doesn't have has no way out. How does it feel? This is what it feels like. Hunger, poverty feels like this. There's no way out. Till somebody decides it has to break. It has to change.
Like we did so much effort and it took so much time, and then we just come and take it away.
And be worth it. I mean, you need to work as hard as you can to get that 1 rupee.
So you have to have the same feeling when it's worth it when Nandini and Nadeem and Meghraj get life. That feeling of being worth it is you'll never be able to help everybody, but you will always be able to help somebody.
But then after feeling for this initiative so much, we decided to take this up as our persistence idea, and hence we started discussing our action plan and how we can help them.
Who thinks they can do it?
Instead of us deciding like who will do what, it will be better if people themselves.
That's what I'm saying. And hence, after a lot of discussion on the logo and the name, we came up with the name Hum. What we want to share through our logo is the shift from Main to Hum, because it's not about just us or them, it's about everyone who deserves the right.